Follow along for this easy method for dyeing your Easter eggs with shaving cream. You need shaving cream, food coloring, a baking pan, a bowl, and hard-boiled eggs. Spray a layer of shaving cream on your baking pan. Add several colors of food coloring to the shaving cream. Use a toothpick to drag the color through the cream. The end effect will look kind of like a spider web. Gently roll all of your hard-boiled eggs through the shaving cream. Roll evenly so you don't get too much color on one area. Allow them to dry on a piece of wax paper. Use a paper towel to wipe off the excess shaving cream. The food coloring will stick and leave a cool marbled Easter egg. I will note that after they dry and I wipe them, my coloring was pretty light. I would suggest less shaving cream and a lot more food coloring, but the process was quick and will be fun for younger kids to try. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.